Okay, something's talking in here.
Do you know how hard it is to not dance when you tell me to keep my head still?
What's making a noise in here?
Morton is singing.
And who is he from?
Mass Effect. He's the only reason I passed biochem.
Now, what's going on here with the llama?
Alpaca.
Alpaca. What is this?
I'm not exactly sure, but it sure is entertaining. It's supposed to be emotional support of some sort.
Looks like Baby Yoda there.
Yep, Baby Yoda's riding an alpaca.
From the Mandalorian.
Yep. I had to bite him 3 times.
You did.
Yeah.
Well, Miss Sarah here is taking over a corner of the room. Next to
Wait, wasn't this obvious that I was going to take over a corner of the room?
Yeah, well, I don't mind. She's got her new little...
Actually, I've taken over the whole office. You just don't want it.
Well, that's okay. We just got to keep it neat. But she got her little chair.
Finally.
Seated next to the Collins R390 from the early 50s. The most complex tube shortwave receiver ever made.
Still not over the fact that you got rid of my radio.
And it weighs 95 pounds. Sarah helped get it upstairs.
No, Sarah didn't help get it upstairs. Sarah hauled it upstairs because you little weaklings can't handle that.
You remember that particular one? It was in a huge box.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I yanked it out of the box because I couldn't. The box was too big for me.
I guess you're dynamite in a small package, right? Okay. Well, what we've got.
Well, let's rephrase that. I hauled a 95-year-old kid up 75 flights of stairs.
That number keeps increasing whenever you talk about it.
No, 17 flights, according to the watch.
Okay.
I don't know if it was actually that many.
Okay, so yeah, Sarah is a teacher of little youngins.
Little brats that I love dearly.
Your Mass Effect doll won't shut up.
I'm not
okay,
singing
now what
it.
we're going to do is, when we've been doing this, we've got a second package in. Do you know what that is?
I know it's from Hawaii.
Yes, there's a nice gentleman. He is a observatory engineer.
Christopher Eric.
Yes, Christopher
I
Eric.
can read upside down.
His name is Christopher Erickson, and he repairs this particular model.
But why did he need to repair it?
Because I broke it.
Yeah, you broke it.
Yeah, I broke it. I dropped the cable on the floor while it was connected, and I fried the little widget inside that lets it talk to computers. And
That wasn't very nice of you.
well, I didn't want it. I didn't want it breaking. So we're going to open this today.
Finally?
Well, as soon as your Mass Effect doll shuts up.
Be nice!
And who's the one next to him? Just so people know who he is.
Well, it's supposed to be Grunt.
Well, they can't see Grunt because he's like...
It's supposed to be Grunt, even though it looks more like Rex with the red, but hey, I didn't make them.
Yeah, Grunt. So, Sarah's going to open this. What this is the Vixen Skysensor 2000 PC. The PC means it can communicate with a...
Should I be opening this while you're running your mouth?
You can start with a computer.
Do you want me to do it slowly so you can keep explaining?
Well, since you have laid claim to all this equipment, you can open it any way you want, short of a flamethrower or other destructive means.
Where's the fun in that?
I
Well, here, you can take this back because I promise you I'm
just
not
set it
using
down there.
that.
I'll put it in the toolbox. Just toss
The
it.
dullest knife on the planet. It's not happening.
I still strip wire with it. I haven't really seen the need to. So I'm gonna zoom in on your little.
Since
funky-
someone made a comment I was slow last time, I brought scissors this time.
Yeah, I don't know. There you go. Wouldn't go take me 4. Yeah, somebody said it took you 4. He wouldn't take 4 minutes. And I said, well, that was our first time doing this sort of thing, opening a package for a telescope.
Well, then I can't shut my mouth, so...
Well, that's okay, but I told them you were savoring the experience.
Actually, I was just trying to get in the box, I'll be honest.
Okay.
I don't. Okay, seriously, I'm going to get my own. You do know I own a pocket knife, and it should not be this hard to get in the box. You should see me at Christmas. Come on. Well, that and I also don't know how delicate things are on the inside, so I tend to be a little more careful.
Well, they quit making that controller over 20 years ago, so...
Now you do realize we're gonna have to stop for another 2 minutes, just so I can contemplate the fact that I have something that, if I break, we probably couldn't get another one.
They're out there, but they're kind of hard to find.
Great.
They occasionally come up for sale. Ooh, ripping sound.
Okay, whoever sent this did a very good job packaging.
That would be Mr. Christopher Erickson.
For real.
Are you going to have to do the hand wave whenever you show a new item? Whatever?
You do realize what's going to happen, right?
No.
Somebody's going to send me something and put it in a box and duct tape it in a box. Never mind, I already know who's going to do that. Steve's going to do that because that's something Steve would do.
Okay.
Ooh.
Uh-oh.
Okay, it's not fun if you can't pop it.
Yeah, let's toss it all over the place.
What?
Oh, I think he sent back the parts I did not use.
Look, I can't even get the little ones to pop. Where's
Now,
the one in this?
what Mr. Pressler did, he also put a new memory
I'm way
battery.
more interested in this than I am what's
He put a
actually.
new battery in it, and he took the old programming chips out of it, and he fixed the port, which was the main thing. Now, the reason I sent it off, this has a lot of components inside that will die if you look at them improperly. They're static sensitive.
You do realize you're making me take that much longer, right?
I don't see how my talking is inhibiting you from...
Yeah, well, you're
unwrapping
making me nervous. And normally I don't get nervous over stuff like this.
Well, it's made to be outside.
But I shouldn't go and throw it like football.
No, of course not. It's a fragile.
Good, because I can't throw a football.
Well, I mean, it's like any other thing electronic.
Ah, colorful.
You've seen
Oh,
that.
I remember this. What?
Static.
Why did you break this?
That's all.
Look, wait, can I have the hair bands?
He must have a daughter or a wife or a girlfriend.
Because the 80s want their hairband back.
Oh, here we go.
The 80s want their hairband back.
Okay.
Woohoo! Look, I got a present too. I got a present too. Hairbandies. Ah. These are mine. You can't have them.
I don't want them. Okay. Now, what you need to like hold it upright and show it to everybody.
I'm clicking buttons. You're going to have to wait.
Well, I won't do anything without power attached to it.
I know this. It does not make punching buttons less fun. That's why I like your keyboard so much.
Those are yes, there we go. Let's zoom in on this and
Can I push the button now?
yeah. Do the little retail hand wave thing again. There you go. Now, what is this again? You remember the name of it. Look at the front of it. Read it.
Skysensor 2000 PC by Vixen.
There you go. That is a classic controller.
There's the bracelet. I lost.
It goes with that. What I was thinking about doing is
I remember this one.
putting some Velcro on the back of it so we can stick it on one of the legs.
Well,
We'll talk about that later, but the main thing is we got the controller back in.
so wait, in other words, you're going to let me be me and fix it.
Of course.
Okay.
There's a couple of things we need to do. That's the parts he sent back and the extra parts he didn't need.
Ooh, shiny.
And the shiny bag means those are static sensitive components. Don't be sticking.
Don't drop them on the carpet.
That's the old programming chips. That's the version 2.06.
Those are heavy.
Don't take them out. Don't take them out. Don't take them out.
I'm not taking them out. I'm just saying the little saran wraps.
Okay.
Like, not there.
Those are the old.
So don't drop them.
Those are version 2.06 chips. The new chips we got are version 2.10.
I probably shouldn't do this, but it's really kind of fun.
Those are the same. There's a chip just like that in there that I blew. That's why it could not talk to the computer. It's RS-232.
So you're telling me they still have not figured out how to make static-proof things yet?
Yeah. Well, I've fixed that problem. It's not going to happen again, and I'll get into that later. Have an opto isolator that goes in series with that. This doesn't mean anything
Stop.
to you.
Wait, what?
Opto isolator.
You want to spell that for me?
OPTOISO
I've stopped
LATER.
listening.
Opto isolator.
Yeah. Stop this.
Like the spelling bee. Those are, yeah. We want to put those in a safe place.
Which means not with you.
Somewhere, we'll figure it out later. So now we just have...
How about in the box?
That works for now.
You know where things go?
We've got a mess in here. That's fine. So what
I find things like that.
there's three cables that go with that. Actually,
So would you want him in the box?
oh no, put him in there. No, he doesn't go in that box.
In the junk box?
No.
I'm pretty sure these shouldn't go in the junk box.
No.
Well, hang on, I got this.
It goes in the little white one up there on top.
What?
That one.
This one goes in that one.
No, the controller, the Skysensor goes in the white box.
Where do you want these?
Put that in the white box too.
Because he's in the wrong box.
Like I said, we'll figure it out.
I'll figure it out. Wait, you mean you're going to put this up here with the hex wrench and the empty...
Take the tools
Whoa,
out.
and the empty battery container that should be in the garbage can.
Okay, I get
Thinks
that.
I have problems.
Just take the hex wrenches out.
Yeah, where was this when I was like building my chair?
That goes in the briefcase in the back.
Nah.
Yeah.
Is it a briefcase or a toolbox?
It's a toolbox, a briefcase toolbox. Actually,
He's
since
not going to
since
fit
there's
in
not
there.
enough room in there for him, you just need to like put him somewhere safe for the time being. He'll get scratched out.
In other words, you have no clue what you're doing.
It's okay. We're just learning this as we go. Well, we're up to 12 minutes. He's busted. We probably need to get a new one.
Do you not have
We need
you
more-
not have females in this house that can handle you?
We need a new container. We need additional containers.
Monitors.
Like I said,
Because actually I have 28 cents in my account.
they don't need to know this.
And?
Okay, let's put that on top.
I'm not telling them, I'm telling you.
We'll put the hex wrenches up. We could just put the controller back in the original box till we figure out.
You could go do something with this to actually make it work.
Well, just put him back in the original shipping box, I think, for the time being. And the next video we'll make, you and I will show you how we're going to hook that up to the mount. There's your Astronomy book. A three-legged newt.
And no, we're not talking about the bug. The bug, the animal.
Amphibian.
Yes. I've had my share of bugs this weekend, okay?
Actually, the little cord, you can hang him off the little front little screw thing behind the counterweights
You're aggravating.
in the front. See the little no. Right there. No, in the front. Right. That one. The chrome one.
I know what you're talking about, but you
The
can't know
Love
what
Year
it is.
7 sticker that you put on there. Yeah.
Yeah, but these go like flop around. We don't want them to
He's
flop
been
around.
flopping around since I owned him.
And that
We
might
got-
have been why he broke.
No, that's not why he broke.
Say.
But we will, I'm using the word we a lot here. So we just,
There's no I in team, but there is a me.
that is correct. We're going to figure out some Velcro or some way to set him there.
We or you or me?
Well, since it's not happening today, we can discuss this at a future time. Yeah, I know. All right, we're 15 minutes. Let's just power on out of here.
I love how you're timing this.
Well,
Like,
it's got a little countdown timer back here, so I can tell exactly how much time we've got. 14 minutes and 32 seconds.
well, you do realize it's going to be entertaining when you don't get me past 8 o'clock and I'm in real clothes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you're decent. Say bye.
Bye.